Welcome to this session here. I am going to introduce you all with the different assembled and the semi-assembled parts of different motors. So coming to the first motor, that is the permanent magnet DC motor. This is an assembled permanent magnet DC motor, and so we will see the semi-assembled parts of this permanent magnet DC motor. As you can see over here in this, this is the stator of the permanent magnet DC motor. You can see it is made of permanent magnets, and this is the rotating part of the permanent magnet DC motor. It consists of an armature which is wounded with the armature windings. So in this way this permanent magnet DC motor it is constructed. The second motor that we will see is the three-phase induction motor. This is the assembled three-phase induction motor, and here we are having a semi-assembled induction motor. As every motor has a stationary part as well as a rotating part. So you can see over here this is a three-phase induction motor. This is the stator of a three-phase induction motor which is having three-phase windings. Those are wounded on the filled terminals. And three-phase induction motors, they are classified depending on their rotor into two types, that is squirrel cage induction motor and slip ring induction motor. So here this induction motor, it is a squirrel cage induction motor. You can see this is the rotor of a squirrel cage induction motor. The next motor is the stepper motor. So the stepper motor, it is a digital motor, and if we apply pulses to this digital motor, what happens, it rotates with a specific angle. And these motors, they are used in the applications where we require the precision. The stepper motors, they are classified into three types, that is permanent magnet stepper motors, variable reluctance stepper motors, and the hybrid stepper motors. So mostly the hybrid stepper motors, they are used in many of the applications. Coming to the next motor, that is the universal motor. You can see over here this is the universal motor. This is the assembled universal motor. So what is universal motor? It is a motor which is operating on AC as well as DC supply. So it is called as an universal motor. Coming to the last motor that we have in our college is the brushless DC motor. So you can see these are the semi-assembled parts of brushless DC motor. This is the rotating part of the brushless DC motor, and this is the stationary part, and this is the outer covering of this motor. You can see over here this wires, they are brought out. You know, in the brushless DC motor we have Hall sensors mounted. So these are the three supply pins, and these are the pins which are coming from the Hall sensors. You know, the brushless DC motors, why they are preferred for long duration. You know, those motors without brushes, that is the normal DC motors, they have brushes, and what happens if this brushes, if these motors they are used for long duration of time, their reliability it decreases, because those brushes they can make the sparkles, and the efficiency of motor it gets reduced. So we go for this brushless DC motors in which the brushes are absent. So before knowing the applications or before proceeding to the working of different motors, we should know how these motors are constructed. So this was the short video for introduce you all to with this different semi-assembled parts of motors.